Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I teach junior high science and 5th and 6th grade math in Sharon Springs, Kansas. Outside of being a husband and father, I am the head junior high football coach. I am the head junior high track coach. I am the head junior high weights coach, or I guess after school, it's not really coach, but after school weights program. I am a member of the Superheroes and Sidekicks board, which essentially is just big brothers and big sisters. And then I have also started up an FCA group, and then I'm also in the process of beginning a youth wrestling program. Um, Outside of my parents, one person who has been very inspirational in my life was my elementary principal, who in fact happened to go on to end up being a Hall of Fame Kansas State high school wrestling coach. So I had a lot of time with him throughout my life, and just his charismatic type of leadership really inspired not just me and not just athletically or academically. He just made you want to be a better person, and that's something that really impacted my life. Looking at my personality test, the first my highest score was on agreeableness, which means I'm basically just very nice and optimistic. The second highest was intellect and imaginability. I would also agree with that's pretty strong because I'm always willing to change, willing to adapt. This is my 6th year here in Sharon Springs, and this is the first year I've had consecutive classes to teach. So all I've known so far is change, and it's not a big deal to me. I'm willing to take a change, and I'm willing to adapt to it. The third one was emotionally stable, which I guess it's okay that it fell in third, but I feel like I'm pretty emotional stable. I think my weaknesses on that one is I get stressed and annoyed kind of easily, especially when it comes towards like spring break, summer vacation, Christmas. Other teachers out there, you can kind of maybe level with me on that one, how your mentality gets. The fourth one was extroversion, which makes sense because the older I get, the less outgoing I am. So it would make sense that I'm a little weaker in that one. And then the fifth one was conscientiousness, which out of everything on here makes the most sense because I feel like you would judge me how my desk looks on a Thursday afternoon or a Friday at the end of the week. I've never needed to be organized in order to function or to thrive. So it would make sense that that one is towards the bottom. I'm pretty impulsive. The two leadership theories I researched that I felt like describe me the best. The first one is me to a T, is situational. Basically what that means is there is not one right way to lead, because different classes I have different readiness levels, have different maturity levels, and I'm able to adapt the way I lead in those classes by where they're at. I have a class or two that need a more strict and authoritative figure in the classroom. There are other ones that do not, and they are able to be given they're able to handle a little bit more freedom. So they can handle just a facilitator type figure in the classroom. So it all varies. So that one fits me to a T in my situation perfectly. And the second one I found was participative, which is perfect too, because for me in my personality test, because I encourage ideas from others, I am always open to listen to other ideas from others or any concerns, open discussion. I like to facilitate conversation. That's me. Situational and participative leadership theories match my personality test perfectly. Pretty much to a T. I can't really stress that enough. Outside of that, good luck to you this semester. I look forward to learning with you.